In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Instagram feed to your Shopify website. Since Shopify doesn't offer this feature directly on Shopify, we're going to use an external widget. But don't worry, it's completely free of charge and doesn't require any credit card information. The first step is to go to Elf's site. I've added a link for this website down below that will take you straight to this page, so go ahead and click there. From here, go up and hover over widgets, and then under social over here, we can see that we have the Instagram feed option right here. Go ahead and click there. Next, click on the big pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take you down to a template builder where we can start designing our widget. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you'd like to, if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick one that's closest to what you're looking for now. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the profile widget option up here and click continue with this template at the very bottom. Once you're on this page, we need to go ahead and add our Instagram source. In this case, there will either be an account or a hashtag. I'm gonna go ahead and add the Gymshark account, so I can go onto the URL on the website and click up here and click Ctrl V or right click and click copy. From here, go back to Elf's site and then insert the link down here. Or if you know the username, just go ahead and write the username and click on search. I'm just gonna insert the URL and click on search to show you how it's done. And now you just need to wait for a moment to pull all the data. And once it looks something like this, go ahead and click done. And now we can start customizing our widget. So if you want to change something like the layout, go on the left hand side and click on the layout option right here. From here you can choose between a slider and a grid layout, as you can see right here. And if you'd like to add more columns or more rows, you can go ahead and click on columns and rows right here. Let's say we want 3 rows, go ahead right here and then select 3 instead. And as you can see, we now have 3 rows of posts. I'm just going to go ahead and stick to the original, which is 2, and go back. There's also some additional settings like header and feed title where you can go ahead and customize it a bit more if you'd like, but I'm not going to cover every single option because I want this to be a quick video. If you want to alter the design of the post, go ahead and click on post on the left hand side. Here you have 2 post styles to choose from. So you have this option right here. So when you hover over it, it's going to look like this. Or you can go ahead and click on the arrow. And then you're going to have what looks more like a mobile Instagram post once it loads, as you can see here. So this looks more like if you're scrolling on the phone. I'm just going to go ahead and stick to the classic option. And if you'd like to change it, you can also change the aspect ratio, the post elements, and more. If you want to change something like the colors of your widget, go ahead and click on style over here. From here, you could easily go ahead and change the color of the entire widget by going up to color scheme and choosing another one. So right now we're using the default option, but we could also go ahead and choose something like nightlife or let's see, dark, like this. That's a bit more black. So that's one way to customize it, but let's go ahead and choose the default option. Another way to change the colors of the entire widget would be to click on the separate elements right here. So for example, click on header. And as you can see, you can go ahead and change something like the header background color by clicking here and then selecting a background color. Let's say we want a purple like this. And that's pretty easy as well. I'm just going to stick with white here, but you can easily go ahead and customize it and fit your branding if you'd like to. And once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button right here. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll either need to sign up or log into Elf's site if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you don't need to change anything else, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan over here by clicking the gray select button. And once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on copy code. And now it's time to head back to Shopify. So once you're on your Shopify website designer, make sure you're on the right page where you want to add this widget. In this case, I'm going to select home page. From here, you need to add it to your website by clicking on add section. I'm going to do it under the template header right here because that's the midsection of my website. So go ahead and click add section wherever you'd like to add this widget. From here, scroll all the way down and select custom liquid at the very bottom. And once it looks like this, go over on the right hand side where it says liquid code and then insert the code we just copied by either clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right clicking and clicking paste. And now you just need to let it load for a second. And once it's loaded in, it should look something like this. So that's how you can add your Instagram feed to your Shopify website. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.